Hey, how's it going? My name is Blake. I work in the Inspiration Studios here at Cal State San Marcos. Today I'm here to talk to you about our Learning Glass. It's something that we built here in the studios for faculty to come down and record lectures and or live stream lectures. So essentially our Learning Glass is a large piece of glass that's encased in LED lights, and the purpose of this is so that you can write and your text is illuminated as you're writing. So as you're giving a lecture or just giving a lesson, supplementary materials, anything that you want to do on the glass, all of your text that you're writing is recorded in conjunction with your voice and your face. Now another thing that we've recently added that you'll see here is this box. And the thing about this box is we can put any extra media that you would like into that box, whether it be PowerPoints, videos, web pages, anything that you want to display off of a laptop or device, we can put into that box. And everything is recorded live into one nice clean video. And so when you're all done, you get a nice link and you can post that link into your course. You can send it out in an email to students, whichever you prefer. So if this is something you think you might be interested in, or you just want to come down and check it out and chat further, go ahead and let us know. Our email is mps@csusm.edu, and just let us know you're interested in the Learning Glass, and we'll go ahead and set up a consult. Thanks for listening. Hope you have a great day.